Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, kind of like a vlog type of video. Right now it's like kind of calm. Right now from my side. Oh crap, maybe. But like supposedly, there's like a hurricane season right now, and like I can feel like little droplets of water like on me. It's like cloudy outside. We're not gonna get hit that bad. We're just gonna get, we're just gonna get like hard rain and all that for like how many days? Those days gonna start today, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So like for 5 days. Yeah. Yeah, 5 days. 5 days or 6? I don't know. I think it's 5 days. Non-stop raining. We're gonna have the hurricane season. Hurricane season! Hurricane season! You go inside. Wait, I think went a lot. Grandma's house. This is not my house. My grandma's. My grandpa. I don't know. Where's Yuki? Yuki! 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 She's like hides like in that rail, like under there, under the house. Yuki! Yuki! Oh, never mind. She's right there. Hi, Yuki. Ah! Ah! Now get off. Look, right now it's all windy. Ah! Oh my gosh! Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Why are you licking me? Stop licking me. No. No, don't lick me. You're a licker. Why you gotta be such a licker? It's all drama. You want a belly rub? Belly rub, belly rub, belly rub. She loves her belly rubs. Right, baby? I love your belly rubs. You love your belly rubs. God bless you. Whoa. You're gonna be safe? You're not gonna drown? Depending you're not, because you're gonna float. My little one! You're gonna float. You're gonna doggy paddle across the sea. And back here. You're gonna take care of Grandma? You're gonna take care of Grandma? Yes? Yes, you're gonna take care of Grandma? During the hurricane? You're gonna take care of Grandma? Yeah, but yo. Go away. What is she? Ow! Oh, what are you doing? Oh my gosh. She was literally like dragging her butt right there, like right there across the thing. What the heck? You did? She did. You want belly rub, but you did? You want a belly rub? You want a belly rub? Oh my gosh, you could. Like I'm almost like Spanish, so sometimes she calls Yuki panzona. It's so funny. Oh, and every time she wiggles her, she tried to wiggle her tail, but she can't because she didn't have a tail. You don't have a tail. Right now it's like kind of raining right now. You wiggle your butt, not your tail. Do you know that? Did you know that? Did you? Did you? Did you? Oh, you did it. No. Go out. Oh my gosh. You good, bro? Sorry if I'm shaking the camera too much. Is you good, bro? What? What are you doing? You want to kill me? You want to kill me? Yes? Looks like it. So guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe if you're new.